Today's super exciting because Jenny and I are getting ready to go pick up our rental car. So we're going to go to Andorra today.
Ooh, here we go, setting out on our adventure. We're gonna have an awesome time. We're gonna go see Salvador Dali stuff. We're gonna go enjoy the fall colors. It's gonna be a great trip. And best of all, it's just us.
Metro. Car.
Metro, car, croissant on the way. Bye. Oh my God. Traffic on the subway this morning was insane. It is crazy how many people they can squish into those train cars. But we are off at our station, so we're trying to figure out where the car rental place is, and then we're gonna get on the road. We're about an hour late, but that's okay. It's an adventure.
Adventure!
Adventure!
Okay, well, we're on our way out. We got the rental car. We are trying to get out of this parking garage with the noisiest floor a parking garage could have.
Why do they paint it like this if it's just gonna squeak?
It's pretty bad.
It's real bad. So squeaky. Directions to Andorra La Vela. Start.
Yeah.
We're taking the no tolls because it's only 11 minutes and I didn't get over there.
Well,
So executive decision.
and also I didn't get over there. And also I don't have a choice.
Because I suck. Tunnels de Valviadera. Oh, you ready for this? Here we go. Hold on, ready?
Yeah. Look at.
You have to do that. That rental car guy didn't even ask me if I really wanted insurance. Did not pester me, did not pressure.
No,
Just
great.
nope. Okay.
Sounds good.
So just like when we were in Turkey, Roy and I, if you go driving anywhere, I feel like Europe has really got this figured out because they have so many of these just like little pull-off gas station things where there are bathrooms, there's snacky snacks, there's fuel. Just, yeah, it's wonderful. But I'm seeing that the handles are blue and black, so we're gonna have to figure out which one we'll need.
Let you do a tap and stuff.
Hola.
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 How much?
4? Gracias.
Gracias. I'm.
Okay, here we go.
Todo lo dijiste cuando tú te fuiste. Así tengo que buscar ya alguna salida y vivir mi vida. Te llevaste todo, baby. Tú no sabes que estoy solo. Crying for love, estoy cayendo por ti, cayendo hasta el final. Te llevaste todo, baby. Tú no sabes que estoy solo. Crying for love, estoy cayendo por ti, cayendo hasta el final.
We have no idea where we are, but it's super cute here. So far, the drive up here has been wonderful.
Some of those advertisements off the cigarettes, and that was one with
all the cigarette packs over here or any of the tobacco, they actually put like the diseases that you could possibly get
but then they show
right
you
on
like
there.
how terrible you look.
Yeah, it's pretty jarring.
Hope you like it.
Thank you. Oh, I'm gonna snarf down that chocolate croissant though. Oh, I love them. They're so courteous.
So courteous. They all know it. They know that it's tourism.
Not sure what it is. He said it was a forest berry. It's good.
Che mama rinina. Turan la ba. Ko phana lana thula ba sa.
Got it.
Yay! Policía está aquí. And I have all my stuff, my license. Oh my god, yeah, look at this, look at this, the police and everything. I bet you they do.
Do you have your passport?
Of course. Oh, it's okay. Oh, do I need to be closer?
I don't know.
Do we need to do anything? We don't need to do anything or stop or we've not come through.
The United States?
United States? Okay, give me the passport.
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you. We don't know.
This is a restart.
Yes.
Yes, I want a stamp.
Please. Please. It's like you already knew us.
You come back to Spain,
See?
stop here, and start.
Okay.
Okay?
Sounds good. Thank
You're
you.
my favorite. Thank
Bye.
you. They're both cute.
They would have just let us drive right through if we hadn't have
You
stopped.
have to stop? Stop?
And no, go.
Oh, okay.
And just
It said
ask
stop.
like what we needed to do.
Oh my god, we got a stamp.
I gotta look at it. Where did he stamp it?
Oh, it's fresh. Look at the thing. I'm so tired. I mean, it looks good. Does it taste like good water? How's it taste?